On.
आवाज नहीं होनी चाहिए। 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट।
Well, we all have us come clean now. I can see everything. क्या फायदा दिया खुद से झूठ बोलने का? Trying to throw dust in each other's eyes. We are all tarred with the same brush. Yes, yes, we are criminals, murderers, all three of us. This is hell. We are in hell, and the train is never going to come. Honestly, I never expected myself to go to the heaven. So this isn't a shocker to me. They never make mistakes, and people are not dumb for nothing.
You have got it wrong. It's Kali Raman. They have shut the windows. It must be winter down there. Funny they should feel the cold when I'm feeling so hot. That's all? You goddamn bloody swine! Let's come back to ourselves. They shot me. Everyone said that I refused to fight, but I didn't exactly refuse. The general never told me what to do. Should I go to the general and say I declined to fight? I wanted to catch a train to Bangladesh, but they caught me at the frontier. I meant to launch a newspaper down there. Priya, look at me. Am I a coward?
Oh dear silly man, do you think I could love a coward? You haven't a coward's chin or a coward's mouth or a coward's hair. It's for your mouth, hair, voice I love.
Did you really mean it?
Do I? Shall I swear on it?
Then I snap my fingers at them all those who are above and those who are here. What's that, Ishita?
She doesn't mean a word of what she says, Mr. Amit. How can you be such a simpleton? Ria, am I a coward? As if she cared a damn either way. Ishita, how dare you? Amit, if you want me to have faith in you, you must begin by trusting me. That's right, that's right. Trust away. She wants a man. Only that kind of her you can trust. She wants a man's smell, a man's voice, a man's eyes glowing with desire. She would assure you are God Almighty if that would give you pleasure, Mr. Amit.
Ria, answer me. Is it true? Is it true?
Don't you realize how maddening it is to answer such questions that don't have any head or tail? You do make things difficult, but listen, I would love you even if you're a coward. Isn't that enough?
You disgust me. Disgust me, both of you.
What are you up to?
I'm going.
You won't get far,
I can hear the train approaching. There it is, on the other platform.
I beg you, please, I beg you, don't leave me. Please, Ishita has shown her cross. Please don't leave me.
Let go of me. Look after yourself. I didn't ask you to come here.
Oh, how mean you are. It's quite right. You're a coward, coward, coward. Well. My little sparrow has fallen from her nest. I hope you're satisfied now. You spat on my face. Playing up to him, of course. We had a tip on his account. But now he is leaving. He's going here. And a good riddance it will be. We two women will have the place to ourselves. You won't gain anything, Ishita. If he is going, I'm going too. Where? I don't care where, but as far as I can from you. Well, the train on the other platform is stopped, Mr. Raman. You're free to go. What are you thinking? Leave the place right now.
I shall not go. It's you who matters to me. You are the one who hates me. Gloating over my defeat. That all thoughts running in your silly little mind. So Ishita, Ria is an object. She doesn't even count. If you will have that faith in me, I'm safe. Will you have that faith in me, Ishita?
It won't be easy, Mr. Raman. Have a look at me. I'm a hard-headed woman. It's not easy to convince me. You're at my mercy. Raman,
What?
revenge yourself.
How?
Kiss me, darling, and you will hear her squeal.
That's right, Ishita. I am at your mercy. But you are at mine as well.
You coward, weakling, running to women to console you. Well, what a lovely pair you both made. Coward Amit holding baby killer Ria in his manly arms. Everyone, make your six. You and you. Will Amit kiss Ria? Or won't he dare? You hear the crowd? You hear them muttering? You know what they're saying? Coward, 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 coward. That's what they're saying, Mr. Amit. What do you hope to get from a silly lips? Forgetfulness. But I shall not forget you, Mr. Amit. I'm your villain now. Yours too. You both perceive yourself the way I make you. You won't escape me, Mr. Amit. I will not leave you in peace.
Will that night ever come?
Never.
Will you always see me?
Always.
Yes, I knew it. I would stand between these silver woods. They knew it all beforehand. Remember, we were told about all those paraphernalia. There were pincers and pokers. We don't need that. And these are the people. These are the people.
Please, darling, haven't I tried to speak your language?
I cannot love you when she's between us and watching us.
Alright, in that case, I will stop her watching. You crazy creature! What do you think you're doing? I'm already dead! Yes! Dead! Knife, forks, poison! Everything is useless! We all are stuck here! Forever and ever and ever.